Ton-USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, around 1 month between take profits, TPs. Entry levels, 6.464 to 7.299. Take profit targets. Target 1, 9.287. Target 2, 10.339. Target 3, 11.241. Target 4, 12.248. Stop loss level, 3.917. Key to trading success. Be patient and use technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, and support/resistance levels. Trade with me. Recommendation. After reaching a take profit target, consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price or the previous take profit to lock in profits and limit losses if the market reverses. Enter after a pullback for better entry. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be financial advice. We wish you successful trading.